Healthy and radiant skin, along with luscious, voluminous hair, is something that most individuals aspire to achieve. While genetics play a significant role in determining our skin and hair type, our lifestyle choices and habits can also significantly impact our health and appearance. Implementing healthy habits can help improve the condition of your skin and hair, giving you a glowing complexion and lush locks. In this article, we will discuss various healthy habits that can promote better skin and hair. Maintain a balanced diet. The foundation of healthy skin and hair. A well-balanced diet is fundamental for healthy skin and hair. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your meals. Vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants found in these foods play a crucial role in nourishing your skin and hair. Vitamin C, for example, is essential for collagen production, while biotin promotes healthy hair growth. Stay hydrated. The elixir of youth for skin and hair. Water is essential for maintaining skin hydration and elasticity. It flushes out toxins and helps transport nutrients to the skin cells, promoting a healthy complexion. Likewise, hydrated hair is less prone to breakage and split ends. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day and incorporate hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and leafy greens into your diet. Regular exercise. The gateway to glowing skin and healthy hair. Exercise improves blood circulation, which is vital for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the skin and scalp. It also helps in reducing stress, which can adversely affect your skin and hair. Engage in regular physical activity, whether it's yoga, jogging, or strength training, to keep your skin vibrant and your hair strong. Prioritize sleep. The beauty rest for skin and hair. Regeneration. Adequate sleep is essential for the repair and regeneration of your skin and hair cells. During sleep, your body releases growth hormones that aid in cell turnover and repair. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to wake up with refreshed skin and revitalized hair. Practice good hygiene. Keeping skin and hair clean and clear. Use gentle cleansers suitable for your skin type and shampoo and conditioner appropriate for your hair. Clean skin and hair are less susceptible to infections, acne, and other issues that can affect their health and appearance. Protect your skin and hair from the sun. Shielding from harmful UV rays. Excessive exposure to the sun's harmful UV rays can lead to premature aging, skin discoloration, and hair damage. Always use sunscreen with a high SPF to protect your skin, and consider wearing a hat or using an umbrella for added protection. For your hair, opt for products containing UV filters or wear a hat to shield it from sun damage. Minimize stress. The enemy of healthy skin and hair. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your skin and hair. It can trigger various skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis, and can also lead to hair loss. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or hobbies you enjoy to maintain a calm and balanced mind, which will reflect on your skin and hair. Limit alcohol and tobacco. Detriments to skin and hair health. Alcohol and tobacco consumption can dehydrate your skin and lead to premature aging. They can also impair blood circulation, affecting the health of your hair. Minimize or avoid these substances to keep your skin and hair in optimal condition. Moisturize. Nourishing your skin and hair from the outside. Regular moisturizing is essential to keep your skin hydrated and supple. Choose a moisturizer appropriate for your skin type and apply it daily. For your hair, use a conditioner after every wash to keep it soft, manageable, and less prone to breakage. Avoid overstyling. Treat your hair gently. Excessive heat styling, chemical treatments, and tight hairstyles can damage your hair and scalp. Opt for natural styles and limit the use of heated styling tools. When using heat, always apply a heat protectant to minimize damage. Get regular checkups. Keeping your skin and hair in check. Regular visits to a dermatologist or a trichologist can help you address any skin or hair concerns promptly. They can provide personalized advice and treatments to maintain the health and beauty of your skin and hair. Conclusion. Achieving healthy and glowing skin, along with vibrant hair, requires a holistic approach that encompasses a balanced diet, proper hydration, regular exercise, adequate sleep, good hygiene, sun protection, stress management, and avoiding harmful habits. By incorporating these healthy habits into your daily routine, you can promote the health and appearance of your skin and hair, and ultimately, boost your overall confidence and well-being. Remember, consistency is key, and the results of your efforts will manifest in a more radiant you.